Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. I need a nap. All right, last night I did pancakes and bacon. Super simple. Yeah, it was fun. Big stack of pancakes, some bacon. They even have leftover bacon. That's because Robin's not home. Yeah. Tonight, I'm doing a simple pasta dish. I'm changing things up this week. I woke up this morning going, no. I'm going to do a simple pasta dish that I was going to do on Friday, but I'm switching it up to today. It's just a few days. So let's take a look. Got the good old Dutch oven for the pasta, because that's all I need for hardware. I'm going to do some linguine with some olive oil, some butter, kosher salt, black pepper. I'm going to dice up this shallot. I'm going to cut up these couple of Roma tomatoes. I'm going to use half of this red bell pepper. I'm going to get it all cut up. I'm going to cut up some of these green onion greens and some garlic. Got to have garlic with pasta. And that's it. I'm keeping it simple. Yesterday, I blended up a couple new blends. These are Moroccan blends, I believe. Yes, Moroccan. Sept Epsis, which is their 7 spice, and Felfel spice blend. It's fun, interesting. It's got a little bit of heat to it, and I'm working on another one. Yeah, I'll get to that in a day or two. So a lot of research is going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, working on blends and so forth. And don't forget, the cookbooks and all these herb and spice blends are available at casualchef.us. Get yours today. All right. On this day, this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.